It's time you gave your Land Cruiser 200 high-performance brakes to match its legendary off-road capability. Alcon's brakes are tailored specifically for heavy-duty applications, delivering reduced brake temperatures and unmatched reliability. With 6 piston calipers and 14-inch rotors at the front and 4 piston calipers with 14.5-inch rotors at the rear, the system's performance is unparalleled. This isn't just a brake kit, it's a testament to Alcon's commitment to quality and durability. Born from extensive testing in Alcon's military and armored programs, these brakes have proven their effectiveness for decades, trusted by both NGOs and UN vehicles worldwide. Supported by Alconkits, experts in the armored and off-road brake market, this brake kit is part of our offering of armored and off-road products. Also on offer are Fox and ARB off-road suspension kits, perfect complements to your upgraded brake systems. Experience the power, reliability, and performance of Alcon's Land Cruiser 200 Big Brake Kit. It's more than a brake kit. It's a game changer for your LC200,